The man accused of the November slayings of 4 University of Idaho students is hurrying his return to Idaho to find out the details of the charges against him in sealed affidavits, according to a prosecutor. Bryan Kohberger, 28, agreed on Tuesday to be extradited from Pennsylvania, where he was arrested at his parents' home on Friday, to face charges in Idaho. He will be transported to the state within 10 days. Investigators say Kohberger broke into a rental house in Moscow and fatally stabbed Kaylee Goncalves, Madison Mogen, Xana Kernodle and Chapin in the early morning hours on November 13. Kohberger is a Ph.D. student and teaching assistant in the Department of Criminal Justice and Criminology at Washington State University in Pullman, just 8 miles across the border from the scene of the crime. The probable cause affidavit outlining the evidence for first-degree murder and felony burglary charges against Kohberger won't be released until after he arrives in Idaho, authorities said. The affidavit and court documents remaining sealed is a quirk of Idaho law, Michael Mancuso, First Assistant District Attorney of Pennsylvania's Monroe County, said during a press conference on Tuesday, after Kohberger's extradition hearing. Having read those documents, and the sealed affidavits of attorneys, law enforcement officers and others involved in the case won't be able to discuss the affidavit or other court documents after an Idaho magistrate judge issued a so-called gag order on Tuesday evening prohibiting officials from talking publicly about many aspects of the case outside of. Such orders can be issued when judges are concerned that pretrial publicity could prevent a defendant from getting a fair trial. LaBar, the chief public defender in Monroe County representing Kohberger for his extradition hearing, said his client was eager to be exonerated. He believes he's going to be exonerated, LaBar said during an appearance on Today on Tuesday. That's what he believes, those were his words. Jennifer Coffindaffer, a former FBI agent, told Newsweek that she believes Kohberger wants to fight the charges against him all the way. However, she qualified that he is likely waiting to see the weight of the evidence against him. If there is strong DNA evidence against him, I think he could take a plea, she said. I think he's waiting to see the weight of the evidence against him, and then he will make a decision.